Okay, Kevin's getting the cinnamon.
For the cinnamon challenge. That would be the smart thing to do.
Yeah. We should probably do this outside, Kevin.
Yeah, we'll do it out back. Or in the garage.
Do it out front so Zoe doesn't get it.
Not enough? More?
Needs to be a whole spoonful.
This is time consuming.
Okay, I think you're good. You have water?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go out front. You need to come watch this.
Don't spit it out everywhere.
We're going out in the front yard.
Okay.
I'll try not to.
Alright.
I'm Kevin Norton, and this is the Cinnamon Challenge.
Oh shit, let me back up.
That's how I'm asking.
Ew, you should have spit it on the grass, you nasty. You're gonna have to wash that off.
Yes. It was still not worth it.
Do you have any advice for people?
Don't do it.